The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. What is it? How is it affecting your business? GDPR affects every company in the European Union. GDPR replaces the old Data Protection Act of 1998 as of the 25th of May 2018. If a company does not comply to these regulations, then they can be fined up to 4% of their annual turnover and compensation payouts to clients. Here at 2414, we provide certified courses online, in-house or in classroom, to make sure that your business is complying with GDPR regulation. We have trained over 600 companies to date. All of our trainees and consultants are EU F&P certified and are highly experienced. If you don't have the time, we offer GDPR consultancy and outsourced data protection officers. 2414 are UK-wide. To find out more, visit our website www.2414blue.com. Email us at info@2414blue.com or give us a call on 01344 666 035.